Good morning, students. Welcome to Narayana online video classes. Today, in 6th standard algebra, we are going to discuss exponents and powers. In that, what is constant and what is variable, and what is a term, and what is coefficient and exponential form. See the constant. Constant nothing but any numerical value is called constant. For example, 2 by 3 I am taking, 5 I am taking, 0 also I am taking, minus 1 by 3, etc. These we are taking. And those are having a fixed value. Suppose 2 by 3, that does not change anywhere. According to any situation, does not change. Okay, these are represents the fixed values. Such type of numerical values are called constant terms. Generally, constants are real numbers. And next, variable. Variable what? Suppose I am taking a symbol. Any symbol, it can change its value, is called a variable. Generally, variables are denoted by x, x square also, y, z, etc. And p, like that we are taking. Okay, see, if let us suppose I am taking x plus 2 is equal 0 happens when x is equal to what is that, minus 2. Suppose x plus 3 is equal to 0 I am taking. Further situation, the same symbol x, what is that, minus 3 happens. Here and here, the same letter shows different value. That's why according to situation, we can change the value of that symbol. Those do not have any fixed value. We can vary those values according to the situation. Okay, that's why those symbols are called variables. Next, term. Term means what? A constant alone is called a term, and a variable alone is also called a term, or the combination of a constant and one or more variables is also called as a term. That means let us suppose 2 by 3 into x square y z. This is also what is that, term. Here 3 variables I took, x, y, z, like that. Okay, a constant alone is a term, a variable alone is a term. The combination of constant and one or more variables is also a term we call. Next, coefficient. The numerical factor in a term is called coefficient. Suppose we take an 2 by 3x. In that, numerical factor, what is that? 2 by 3. That is called coefficient. And here one more thing. Actually, here two things we have. The number, that means the numerical factor itself is called numerical coefficient actually. Numerical coefficient. That is here 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into x, that is a term. In that numerical coefficient, what is that? Nothing but 2 by 3. And literal coefficient what? Okay, except numerical coefficient, the other factor that is called the literal coefficient. Okay, let us take one problem. Okay, on this, suppose which of the following represents a constant. Suppose the options given like this, 0 and second option minus 7 by 2, third one 1 by root 3 and fourth one, all of this. See, which of the following is constant? Which is constant we shall verify. 0 is constant term because it does not change its value. And minus 7 by 2 is also numerical value, it is also does not change. It is also a constant. And 1 by root 3 is also constant. That's why all of these are answer. And second one we are taking, let us suppose that we are taking 2 by 3 into x. 2 by 3 into x. Okay, in this term, numerical coefficient is what? And also literal coefficient is what? Here numerical coefficient nothing but that is 2 by 3 and literal coefficient nothing but x. We call like that. Next. Now let us see about the exponential form. A to the power of b, x to the power of y, and p to the power of q, etc. These forms are called exponential forms. How do we get that? What is the meaning of this one? Let us suppose I am taking a is a number. Okay. Now a is multiplying by a itself again. How many times we are multiplying that? Let us suppose that n times. Okay. The repeated multiplication of a n times. That is we represent as a to the power of n. Now this is called exponential form. In that, here see, in these exponential forms, what are these? A, x, p. Those are called bases. And b, y, q. B, y, q. Those are called exponents of the exponential forms. Those exponents are also called as indices and powers also we call. And exponential forms also called as power forms. Okay? Let us take one. Suppose the exponential form. The exponential form of 8 is equal to what? 16 is equal to what? And 32 is equal to what? This is the question. 8 how can we write? That we can write 2 to the power of 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2. If we multiply 2 by itself 3 times, we are getting 8. Similarly, 16 we can write 4 square, as well as also we can write 2 to the power of 4. Both are the exponential forms of 16. And 32 also we can write 2 to the power of 5. And okay, that's all. 2 to the power of 5. Okay, now 2 to the power of 5 is the exponential form of what is that? 32. If we see this one, okay, in this 2 is the base and 3 is what? Exponent. If we see 4 square, 4 is the base and 2 is the exponent. And in 2 to the power of 4, 2 is the base and 4 is what? Exponent or index we call. In 2 to the power of 5, base what is that? 2 and what is the exponent? 5. Okay, next. Now in the term, I am taking a term minus 7 by 5 into x cube. What is the coefficient? Here coefficient nothing but numerical coefficient. Simply we call like coefficient. Numerical coefficient is simply called coefficient. Coefficient is what? And also base what is that? And also exponent what is that? Exponent or index. Okay, here coefficient what is that? Minus 7 by 5. And in that term, what is the base? This is in the form of a to the power of b, nothing but exponential form. Now x is called what? Base. And what is the exponent? 3 is the exponent. Okay, like that we should do. Thank you.